Chapter number 2, Motions of the Earth. Motion of the Earth means rotation and revolution. Earth rotates on its axis, it is called rotation. And Earth moves around the sun, it is called revolution. Now today we learn about motions of the Earth. Have you noticed that the toys that you play with, such as tops and discus, rotate on their own axis? Similarly, our Earth too rotates on its axis. Now you see this spiral wheel. This is axis. You just imagine this is Earth and this is axis, and this path is called orbit. Okay, you must have taken a ride in Ferris wheel in fairs. While the seats rotate around their axis, they also revolve in a circular manner. Like other celestial bodies, the earth also moves in two ways: rotation and revolution. The earth rotates on its own axis and also revolves around the sun. The moon and earth are constantly in motion. You see, rotation moving on its axis and revolution revolving around the sun. It takes 24 hours and it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Erect a pillar on your school ground. Note down the details as given in the table. Now you see here, sun, sun is in own place, but earth moves. Here pillar shadow. Okay, on 8 o'clock, on 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay, this is the pillars of shadow of sun. Okay, here this is the detail information: detail, time, direction, length of the shadow. Whenever you arrive in school, 8 a.m., whatever, 7:15, whatever, arrive, what is the time, what is the direction of the sun, direction of you, and length of shadow of sun. During short recess, during long recess, departure from school, you note down. What does rotation of the earth mean? As the other rotates on its imaginary axis, the speed of rotation at any point along the equator is approximately 1670 kilometers per hour. Means you just imagine earth rotates in own axis. It is 1670 kilometer per hour, so fast, but we cannot understand and we cannot feel the earth rotates in own axis. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, I mean one day. Why is the sun seen only during the day and the moon at night? How are day and night caused? You must probably have thought about such questions. Have you see, earth rotate on its axis and earth moves around the sun, it is called revolution. So is in own place, but earth rotates, so we feel, we see sun in the day and moon in the night. Now you see day and night. So sun is on place and earth moves around the sun. So whenever this, and also it's rotate, and whenever the earth moves around the sun 365 days. What? Here you see Canada, day and night, night. Mexico, night. Brazil, night. Japan, day. Because right side, whenever you see in map, world map, uh, one line is there, it is called prime meridian. From prime meridian right side, they all countries are behind from our country. You see, Japan is left side, means prime meridian's left side. Australia left side. South Africa, such kinds of right side, but with prime meridian, beside prime meridian. But Canada, Mexico and Brazil are so far from prime meridian. So whenever in Canada, Mexico and Brazil night, in Japan, Australia, South Africa, even in India also day. Okay, now you see revolution.